Want to know how to create a mini system resource monitor in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, we use Java's built-in runtime function or runtime class. So we have also created a video on how to do it, so make sure to watch it. So what we do is we first off simply grab the total memory, the pre-memory, and calculate how much RAM is in use, and then we check the available processor using available processors method. So as you can see right here on the third line, we have used .available processor method right here in order to calculate it. So once you have done that, once you run the code, your console consistently prints a small dashboard showing how many cores your system has, how much memory your program is using, and how much is free. It's simple and lightweight and super useful if you want to understand how Java interacts with your computer system. So that's it. So you understand it on this code. So if you have a proper GUI that runs Java, it should work accurately on your computer. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.